delicious recipe of potatoes that enchanted everyone. To start our recipe, I will start cutting 3 potatoes into small pieces this way. Done this, I will transfer the potatoes to a pan, and I will add water to cover everything. I will let cook for 20 minutes. Then I will transfer the boiled potatoes to a container, and I will knead very well, with the help of a utensil until it becomes a puree. Now I will season with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a little parsley to taste, finally 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then I will stir everything very well, with the help of a spatula, so that all the ingredients aggregate and become the mass of our recipe. You can even use your hands if you find it easier. Done this, I will add in a container a cup of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of parmesan, a teaspoon of oregano, and I will stir everything very well. Now I'm gonna get another container, add 2 eggs, and then I'm gonna stir. This recipe is amazing, the result will surprise you. Then I'll take the dough from our recipe and roll it up to get shape. Then I'll cut into several parts and take one. I will roll this part of the dough very well until it is very thin. Done this, I will mark with fork the dough. Then I'm gonna cut it into pieces. Between the markings I made with the fork, now just pass our recipe in the eggs, and then in the mixture of breadcrumbs. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Jaswinder from Malaysia. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Next, I will add some oil in a pan. Done this, I will put our recipe in the pan when the oil is already hot to fry. This amazing recipe has become one of my favorites since the first time I tried it. Now I can't stop doing it. When you get to this point, I will turn our recipe in the pan with the help of 2 forks to fry both sides equally. My friends always ask me to teach how to make this recipe. Done, this is ready, our recipe. Now just take the pan and serve. Look how beautiful you look. If you prefer, you can eat with some condiment of your choice. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.